Today we're here to talk about how does one score their first international vacation for free?
It's amazing how half of our nerds are cannot stop talking about diners.
Mine was trip to Nepal. It was also 16 hours, train, bus, and we crossed the border walking. If you stay in a hostel, it's like $1,000. You meet new people, you go around, have a pint with everyone. Insane experience. I lost all the budget I had in Paris on the first day gambling on the streets.
On the first day itself, I went gambling, and on the slot machine, I won $250. After that, I have never ever won on any table. And I called my dad and I told him, and my dad was like, "ये सब पैसा नहीं चाहिए हमको." So I thought, यार ये पैसा तो उड़ा के आना है. So I took my first helicopter ride from Vegas to Grand Canyon the same evening.
If it makes you any happy, like in 1996, I was 2-year-old.
Oh god.
That was lethal. An integral part which is least spoken about is going to a duty-free shop. When you go for the first time, you're like, "अरे इतने सारे chocolates." You get overwhelmed.
Also, solo travel is trending these days, right? It's crazy. I for one cannot do solo travel. लेकिन आजकल trending है, so yeah,
Hashtag
absolutely. So there you go. Dhimant is again.
I am in
You
the team
just did
solo.
Vietnam completely solo.
You need to have a plan if you go to Dubai because there's so many things to do. If you go there day one and think I will figure it out, 2-3 दिन तो उसी में चले जाएंगे.
But
Your
talking of coming back from Dubai and packing stuff, the Dubai chocolate overrated or good?
Oh,
Go back into Singapore food. A lot of people will tell you food is expensive.
Yeah.
It does not need to be expensive. The food is cheap and that is a place where you're going to get the tastier and more authentic food anyway.
if you're craving your South Indian food 3-4 दिन के बाद,
I was made fun of in the Hong Kong episode when I said Savannah Bhavan by the same gentleman here.
Yeah. The point is, if you're expecting a Bangalore kind of dosa, नहीं मिलेगा वहाँ पे.
Do not go to Sentosa Beach. It's a scam. It's a big scam.
You can actually fly to Vietnam at the same cost that you fly to Singapore.